I have this IKEA Kallax Shelving unit, and since my Lego collection is taking up more and more space, today I'm upgrading kit shelving unit with the Kallax inserts. You can install this insert either vertically or horizontally. Let's start with the unboxing. In the package you will find the assembly instructions, with only 6 simple steps. There is nothing complicated about assembling this insert. Take the parts out of the box and open the cardboard pack, which contains the self-gluing felt strips. The first task is insert the metal pins into the middle shelf. Then connect the side panels to the middle panel. The last step is to stick the felt strips onto both side panels. These help keep the insert securely in place. Once you are ready, slide the insert into your Kallax shelf. I really like this because it's a very easy way to get twice as many shelves. As you can see, the space is now being used twice as efficiently. I hope this video inspires you to make better use of your Kallax shelving too.